वेरी गुड, ऑसम। वो देखो एट R15 लेके एट शाबाश। R15 भी नहीं हो, करिश्मा है। सामने से R15 डोपा मार दिया उन्हें। ये रहा है अल्टीमेट स्टाइल में है नहीं भाई, जाटाक स्टाइल में है उन्हें तो। देखो पुलिस वाले जा रहे फिर।
What do you guys think will happen if I tell one of these guys that you guys are driving on the wrong side of the road? Just imagine, what do you guys think? Is it possible that one of these guys will take a knife and stab me for saying that? Is it possible? It looks like a wild imagination, right? Like it looks so far-fetched of an idea that this will happen. But sadly in India this has happened in Pune on FC Road, according to this news that I saw 2 days ago. Now I'm not from Pune, but if I remember it right from the last couple of trips that I've made there, Ferguson Road is a pretty busy street. It's got these small shops all around, and there's a college on one side. It's quite a busy street. I remember because I think 2 times I rode through that street. Once I was probably just walking around searching for a charger for my old BlackBerry. So yeah, it's a pretty busy street now. Just imagine, although it was I guess night time.
अरे भाई साहब, उनको मालूम भी नहीं शायद गलतियाँ कर ले। देखो और एक भाई साहब, इन्होंने तो इंडिकेटर देके कितनी स्पीड में चला रहा है देखो।
So when I read this news, the first thing that came to mind is the bikers, and especially some of them motovloggers now, the bikers who love to follow the rules for whatever the reason, not because they want to follow the rules, because it makes sense to follow the rules. And at some point of time, see, no indicators. So, and at some point of time, I am pretty sure like every one of us who likes to follow the rules has told somebody or the other on the road, to abide by the rules. More so with the motovloggers, and I'm like, yes, road observation motovlogs are there for people who do it. I just did a couple of like maybe 1 or 2 videos, I don't remember, but there are some who regularly do it, and I just hope not that this happens to anybody. So I would just kind of request all the bikers and the motovloggers to just be a little cautious, guys. Just be a little extra cautious when you confront people, when you confront squids, because yeah, this can happen. And sadly, because the world as we know now is full of people who, hey, see, look at this, yeah, world is full of people who do mistakes and then feel like a hero about it, instead of say learning, or instead of okay, if somebody is telling you that you're doing a mistake, people do not want to realize it and all that. Everybody wants to be a hero these days. So yeah, this heroism or this I don't know what, their internal ego, or it's just no value for others' lives. It's probably the reason people ride as squids. And something like this, like a stabbing because you were told that you're riding on the wrong side of the street, can happen.
ये क्या है बोलो? ये राउंड अबाउट है नहीं? कैसा जाना है यहाँ पे?
कहाँ जाना है?
ऐसा इस तरफ जाना हो तो कैसा जाना?
फिर क्या जाना?
फिर के जाना नहीं? आप क्या चलाते हैं यूनुस भाई?
मैं ऑटो चलाता हूँ।
आपको मालूम है?
जी।
बड़े बड़े कारें और लाखों की गाड़ियाँ खरीदे साल।
Now that also reminds me of this video on my channel, the Lover Boy versus Heartbroken Biker. This was one of those moments where in the heat of the moment I had said something like fuck you, something like that. I can't remember, but the reason was somebody cut 3 lanes into my lane, and I had to literally brake for my life. And if I couldn't brake that day, like if I was late at braking, even by like fraction of a second, we could have collided, and all 3 of us, Heartbroken Biker, me, the Lover Boy, his girlfriend, his ninja masked girlfriend, everybody would have been probably fatally injured, nicely in hospital or whatever. So in the heat of the moment I said fuck you. Now when this video was first out, I remember it wasn't viral or anything back then. So when this video was first out, whoa, look at the smoke. So when this video was first out, it reached a couple of riders, and they did understand, riders and bikers, they didn't understand the pain of dealing with the squids on the roads. But then, after that, after that whole clan of riders watching the video is done, it started reaching general public because it went viral for whatever the reason I can't figure out. So it reached general public, and in general public's comments started, and you can actually see those comments, how the squid mentality is, how the mentality of people being physically abusive is right there. You can see it in the comments. None of them want to think that, hey, all three of them could have ended up in the hospital. More like everybody's ego is hurt. Oh, मेरे girlfriend के सामने ये बात बोल दियो तो मैं तेरा मुंह फोड़ देता था. Now I don't know what will happen with. I don't want to tell anything to this guy. So my request to all of the bikers and especially motovloggers who do road observation videos, please be careful out there. If possible, don't try to confront them in anger, because I've seen a couple of videos, and yeah, I'm also guilty of that, but in the heat of the moment it happens. But do remember that just try to be a little, just try to tell them nicely, like, bhai aap idhar se nahi aana chahiye tha, dude, you're on the wrong side of the road, something like that, rather than jumping straight to अबे wrong side पे क्या कर रहा है.
ये अल्टीमेट यहाँ पे रुक जाता नहीं ना. अब रिवर्स,
ये गलत है.
रिवर्स.
ये वाला है तो ठुक देता.
शाबाश.
हीरो और एक
कंप्लीट. इनको बोलेंगे ज़रा
क्या बोल?
यूनिस भाई यहाँ नहीं रोकना बोल के.
हाँ, बोलना पड़ता है ना.
बोलो ना आप, मैं देखता हूँ क्या बोलते हैं. भाई सामने रोक लो ना, सामने रोक लो ना. ये टर्निंग है ना पूरा, सामने या गली में डाल दो ना. टर्निंग है ना पूरा भाई. नहीं इधर गली में डाल लो ना भाई. वो छोड़ दो आप, लेकिन ये गलत है ना भाई. इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी निकाले तो निकाल तो नहीं करते क्या? नहीं निकाले तो नहीं करते क्या गलतियां? वो पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. क्या बोल रहे हो ना?
वीडियो बोला तो निकालता हूँ, बोल रहा हूँ.
वीडियो बोले तो निकालते हैं. हे भगवान,
वो तो नहीं
यही
निकालते.
छो गया. देखो
नहीं लग गई यार वो.
देखो वही फिर लगने वाला था. बिच वही, मतलब वीडियो निकाल रहे बोले तो मैं गलती नहीं कर तुम, मतलब पुलिस वाला है तो मैं गलती नहीं कर तुम.
नहीं है तो कर तुम.
नहीं है तो कर तुम.
I know it can happen again in the heat of the moment, but just try and just don't end up getting stabbed by fucktards. Yeah, that's I guess that's the short vlog I wanted to make. Actually, I wanted to shoot the giveaway videos today. I was collecting the list of the names of people who have signed up. No, I have done the tasks for the giveaway, as in the mask giveaway, which required you guys to feed a homeless person, and Arkham City, Batman Arkham City giveaway, and the other giveaways are there. I'm compiling the list. Hopefully this weekend I would sit and make that video, but this was just a video from top of my head, and I also needed to just go out and ride. Been last 3 days has been a little hectic. Maybe some other day I'll tell you of that time when I was threatened to be killed in my own home by somebody on the street just because I opposed him abusing a dog. Yeah, that also happened. So someday, just remind me, I might actually open up with that tale of my life. Yeah.
मतलब कुछ खौफ रहना हमेशा.
हाँ, हमेशा रहना है. उसको ये घायल तो नहीं करते गलतियाँ.
लेकिन हम लोग इंसान बने ना, ये मतलब जानवर तो नहीं है ना. खौफ से ही क्यों जीना? जानवर बोले तो अरे पालने वाला मारता तो मैं खड़तूँ बैठतूँ जो भी है वो करते रहते जानवर। फिर इंसान का फ़ायदा क्या है भाई? खौफ से ही शारीरिक मतलब सही काम के लिए खौफ होना, डर होना बोले तो। दिस इज़ द सेम प्लेस वेयर लास्ट टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ पीपल राइडिंग इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन बीइंग स्क्विड, देयर वाज अ गाय हुज लेग वाज कट। याद है एक बंदे का पैर यहीं पे वो बंदे को एम्बुलेंस नहीं बुलाया, सब लोग देख रहे उसका पैर। एम्बुलेंस वाला आया तो कोई हाथ नहीं लगा रहा। एम्बुलेंस वाला यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ था, भाई उसका पैर पकड़ो मैं पट्टी बांध दूँ बोले तो, मतलब वो लकड़ी से बांध के लेके आ तुम बोले तो कोई हाथ नहीं लगा रहा था। उसका वीडियो है मेरा एक, आई हैव ए वीडियो ऑफ दैट, इफ यू गाइस आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन सी दैट टू।
Fucking miss those days when these fences are okay. I think it'll help kids not fall off, but you know, at least there should be entry into that area, because we used to hold biker meetups right there in the freaking center when this lake would dry up. It would have been actually pretty awesome. Yep, good old days.